Busy on me, so don't push it. You just want pay for my pussy. Busy on me, so don't push it. You just want pay for my pussy. Busy on me, so don't push it. You just want pay for my pussy. Busy on me, so don't push it.
My ball sack though.
All right, Jacob's taking his ween out. There, I thought I'd start recording. Yeah. We are currently at a bay that I will insert right here because I completely forget the name of it. It's beautiful. There's supposed to be lots of like snorkeling that you can do. There's a lot of reef here. And because of COVID, a lot of the reefs in the area have been flourishing and a lot of the fish that have not been around are starting to return, which is really cool. That was one of the pushing points in us deciding that we're gonna get our open water certification. So we literally just said yes to doing that about 5 minutes ago. Absolutely stoked. So that's going to be our mission for the next 3 days, is we're just going to be learning that, getting out into these beautiful waters and getting our scuba certificate. It's about to be a crazy journey here. The only sad part is we're not really allowed to film a lot of it. They don't like people that are in classes filming, which is fine. It is what it is. We're here to get trained up. We're not here to make a whole video about it. That's exactly what we're here for. But it's gonna be lit. Now let's go check out this beach.
We are here, absolutely jungle booked out.
How is the water temperature? Water temperature is absolutely stunning. It's so beautiful. A little jump.
The waves are a little more wavy. Makes for a better stand, you know?
This is fucking sturdy.
Hopefully. Just be careful, brother. Let's go, we made it. Woo! Didn't die. Crazy.
Yeah, this is sick.
Fucking bushes.
Made it back from the bay. Hey. We're fully fried. Absolutely cooked to a crisp. It's vibing out. We're about to head to our scuba diving orientation. Day 1, it's 3:30 that begins, so we have another couple minutes. I gotta go pick up some of our other members, but look at how fully burnt up your boy is here. Extremely fucking tired. Trying to get to the top. So I guess I should explain what's happening. A couple days ago we watched sunset on the beach and I noticed a rock at the top of a mountain that had a crack right down the middle, and it kind of looked to me like people were up there. So then I looked it up and turns out it's like a lookout point for the sunset. So we're on our way there, but it was a bit of an oversight, the fact that there's a 3-kilometer walk from the point where you drop your bikes off to the point where the lookout is. Currently trekking through the jungle and praying to God we make it before sunset. Whenever the sun even like slightly starts to go down, the cicadas start going crazy. Like at some of the areas, it's literally almost deafening how loud the cicadas are. And it's like right on cue too. They all like know exactly when to start. The second the sun touches the horizon, it's just, the buzz begins. We're now on the private part of this walkway. We had to pay 100 baht to get in here. No big deal, but it's still a serious trek on some sketchy terrain. Definitely a little bit suspect.
Some jungle buck Tarzan shit. And I love it.
Little tire swings out here. Definitely would recommend to not take a shower before coming here, because you 100% will need one after. All the way up, baby. Made it.
Running behind them. Yeah, I understand they are 10 younger than me.
The video will not give it justice.
10 years younger? Yeah. How old are you?
It's cloudy.
Forgot to record again. So we're gonna get another battery in this fucker and send it back up.
May as well.